In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay background music on your Wix website. If you're looking to enhance your site with the perfect tunes that play automatically in the background, you've come to the right place. We'll cover this step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website editor. If you're logged into your Wix account, you can find this under My Site. This area will be the hub from where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you're going to notice a sidebar with various options. You'll want to locate and click on the plus icon. It's generally represented by a plus sign on the toolbar. This will open up a whole new world of elements you can add to your site. It's like a toolbox that's brimming with features waiting to be used. Next, from the list of options, look for and click on Video and Music. As we're focusing on adding music, this section is where you'll find all the audio related functionalities Wix offers. Don't let the extensive choices overwhelm you. We're going to make it easy by focusing on exactly what you need. In the video and music menu, you'll see an option labeled audio players. Clicking on this will present you with a variety of templates to choose from. This step is crucial as you want to select an audio player design that seamlessly matches the aesthetic of your website. It's all about ensuring everything on your site feels cohesive and intentional. After choosing your preferred template, you'll now want to change the track that will autoplay on your site. This is done by clicking on Change Track. It's an intuitive process, guiding you through options you can customize based on what you feel best fits your site's vibe. Now comes the exciting part, uploading your track. You'll see an Upload Track button. Clicking this will allow you to upload the music file you want to feature on your site. Make sure you have the track ready and it's a file type that's supported by Wix. A friendly reminder to double check that your music complies with copyright requirements. Finally, for continuous play, you'll need to set your track to play in a loop. You can do this by clicking on Play in Loop. This ensures that once your track finishes, it will start over without any manual intervention from the viewer, providing an uninterrupted auditory experience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly autoplay background music on your Wix website, enhancing the overall visitor experience with your personal touch of sound. Remember to preview your site to see how everything sounds and feels before publishing it live. Thanks for tuning in and happy site building.